Welcome. In front of me I have NOKIA C20, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So let's click and hold your home screen and find widgets. Just tap on it, simply. Right now I'm going to add here, for example, YouTube music shortcut. I'm going to place it here. And as you can see right now, we got the widget, we can use it. When I tap on it, it will be moved to the YouTube music. Of course, you can move that widget over whole home screen. You can move it for another one, just like that. And also we can resize, change size of this widget. So as you can see, that's it. As you can see, it's very simple. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.